I can feel the panic in the air for a lot of investors today. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through what I'll be doing in this dip, why I'm not phased one bit, how to manage your emotions, the new opportunities that the market is giving us, and why this is all part of the cycle. But before we do get into that, guys, make sure you are all subscribed because there's going to be a lot of choppy price action over the next 3 to 6 months. And it is essential that all of you who are watching this video are in control of your own emotions. So, subscribe. Now, I know a lot of you guys who are watching the video, you probably invested quite a lot of money up until this point in the market. And I'm not too sure what your average price is, but I do know that when the price is pumping, a lot of investors, they want to buy in. And you don't buy the prices when they are low. So a lot of people, they're leaving comments right now and they're saying,
I'm down 10%, I'm down 20%, we're down 50%, we're going down lower.
Now, first of all, don't panic. There is no need to panic. It is too late on in the cycle for us to be worrying about the USD value of our coins, and we're going to get into that in just a second. Now, up until this date, the Bitcoin cycle it's been working like a heartbeat, guys. It has followed the exact same path that it always has, and yet investors still get tricked into the same traps that the market does present. Retail FOMO is where a lot of people get wrecked, and that's why time after time on this channel, I try to let you guys know to keep some capital to the side to make sure you can follow what I'm going to be doing in this dip. Now, before we start, guys, let me take you through the history of the crypto market cycles. I'm going to pop right here the Wall Street cheat sheet, and this originally was used for stock investing. It is based on human psychology and how the big players and the smart money make the most out of these cycles. Crypto, stocks, trading, investing, it's player versus player. Whether you guys like to admit it or not, it is player versus player. We are buying to sell to someone else at a higher price. Now, you can see here, guys, there are many different stages of human psychology throughout this market cycle. You've got optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, all coming in the pumping stages of the market. But then when it does dump, guys, you've also got anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, and anger. And we've been through all of this for Bitcoin thus far. Now, we've been over the line of disbelief for a very long time. And the longer that we do stay above that disbelief line, the more investors are going to enter the market. Now, when we do enter these stages of the market, so many new theories are birthed. A lot of people in 2023 were saying there's going to be a new all-time high before the end of the year. Did it happen? No. So now they've moved on to new all-time high before the halving. And will that happen? Does it usually happen? No, it never has. Still, nothing has changed. And yes, the cheat sheet may not work forever, but it is a very valuable piece of information that people do just like to ignore. And yes, you do need to be taking a lot of other factors into consideration. The economy has changed from when that was first produced, and it may not follow these patterns forever, but up until now, it has not failed us. So while it can be quite difficult to see your bags just constantly going down from whenever you buy it, you feel like, why is it always me? Why am I always the one that buys and it dumps? It is not always you. It is all of us. We're all in this together. And while it may not feel like that, it is. My bags are going down the same way that your bags are going down. But the difference between me and the panicking investor is that I see this as a major opportunity. I'm going to be making the most out of the discounts that we're getting from our top 10, top 20 altcoins. This is a major opportunity to be getting blue chips, guys. A lot of you wanted to buy Ethereum when it was at 2.5k. It's now nearly at 2k. Are you buying it? Probably not. Solana. Everyone was buying Solana when it was over $1. Now it is $80. It's at a 20% discount. More, probably like a 30-40% discount from where it was at $125. That is a major opportunity. XRP is a no-brainer underneath $1. And the list goes on, guys. You know how bullish I am on Cardano. You know how bullish I am on Avalanche. You know how bullish I am on Polkadot, Link. All of these are giving us massive opportunities. To be honest, anything in this top 20 right now is looking like a major opportunity. And before you go and dump your whole bag into the top 20 coins, we still can have a way to go down. And that's why I said in yesterday's video, and I will continue to repeat to you guys, we need to make sure we have capital to the side. You have a separate DCA bag, you have a separate rainy day bag, because the rainy day bag could have been used today. And I literally said that yesterday, have a rainy day bag. And I know we all have different financial capabilities, but it is important, even if it's just a little $50 to the side that you can DCA into your top coin or your favorite coin, it's going to make you feel a lot better than having zero, guys. Now, the top coins, they're probably not going to fall as much as some of the lower coins. But again, I'm taking that as a major opportunity. If you're looking at things like Casper, what was this? I'm sure this was like 15 cents, wasn't it? Let's take a look. Casper's all-time high was at 15 cents. We've now got a 50% discount, basically. If we check out ICP, you guys already know what the deal is with ICP. ICP, all-time high for this year, so it's not all-time high, the yearly high, it was at around that $15. What a great chart to show. There you go. It was at $16, okay? And now we're sitting at $10. We've got a $6 per ICP discount, guys. And again, you're looking at these prices and you're seeing the dump. If this is your first cycle, then this... You guys have got a lot. You've got a lot in store for you, because a 15% dump on the top loser of the day is amazing. That is absolutely nothing. We are so used to seeing 30, 40% corrections, and this may increase to a 40% correction over time if we look at a weekly chart, for example. But I'm seeing these prices and I'm going down and I see Axie Infinity 6% down. That is a buying opportunity. Sandbox, okay, mixed opinions, but still buying opportunity. Phantom, I mean, Phantom, anything under $1, in my opinion, you're going to make some unreal gains. But then you can even move down and you can separate it into layer ones. And if we wanted to have a look to see what layer ones we want to be getting into, I mean, like I said, Solana's on a massive discount. Cardano is under 50 cents. This was at like 60 cents and everybody was trying to FOMO into Cardano. You scroll down, you know that ICP is the layer one for pretty much everything. H-bar, we're back at like 6 cents. This is an absolute steal. Like, if you're not buying H-bar at like 4 to 6 cents, I don't know what to tell you. And then you can continue to scroll down. And yes, guys, I'm not saying put your whole bag in it. It can go down a lot more than where we are now. And we're going to take a look at Bitcoin in just a second to see how further we have to go down to complete our pullback. This may be one of the last major opportunities of the bull market. Now I want to show you the total 3 again. I mean, I showed you this a few days ago, and from here to here we're expecting a 10-month alt season at least. If we do retrace all the way to this trend line, maybe we even break underneath it and have a double bottom, I'm going to be eating this up. I mean, it's going to mean that our altcoins are getting absolutely destroyed. But right now, you need to be concerned with the amount of coins you hold, not how much USD they are worth. We are in the start of a bull market, guys. We're not selling anytime soon. I see so many of you guys comment saying that you're going to buy this new coin, or you're selling this for this, you're selling this for this. None of you guys are smarter than the market, and I'm sorry to say it, but a lot of you guys think that you can outsmart the market. And guess what? What's happened today? Everybody's coins are losing. There's a fair few that aren't, but the majority of people's coins are losing. And now is the time that you guys all need to be focusing on your total bag. Stop trying to outsmart the market. You're gonna get wrecked. I mean, guys, you even go to coins like ICP and you're seeing they're starting to give absolutely amazing opportunities. We're in the if you don't buy then quit. We may even go down to this enter if it comes. And if this enter if it comes, we need to change the name of this, to be honest. That's more like it, guys. Because if we do get these opportunities again, all of you who didn't make the most out of all this action here that we covered on the channel so many times for all of our cryptos, you're getting one last shot. And a lot of people, they're going to be scared out of the market now. They're going to be selling their crypto because crypto's going lower and they think they know exactly how low Bitcoin's going to go, and it is not going to go the way they think it is. But for 4 months, guys, we've been going up without a single pullback. Not one pullback in 4 months. A whole third of the year we haven't had a pullback. And yes, I think it is time. It's time for a pullback, and we may be getting this 30k level here. And if we do get a 30k, then you know what the alts are gonna do. They're gonna have an absolute poo of their pants. But it doesn't mean that the total game plan changes. The game plan does not change. We are still gonna make the most out of the bull run. I mean, look at all of this that we've been going through over the past 6 months. Okay, it's been nothing but up. Well, 6 months, it's been over a year now. What am I talking about? It's been a whole year of pretty much just going up. So it's all part of the cycle. And even if we do revisit these lower levels at 30, at 25, I don't think that's going to happen, but if we do, you never know, people are going to be seriously scared. They're going to say crypto's a scam. All of the coins that are down, they're going to say they're scams. They're going to comment under my videos saying, oh, why did you say to buy it? Because still, in the grand scheme of things, we're going to be getting amazing prices in the bull run. And again, guys, please, I just want to say, if you're going to get shaken out by this little move here, none of you deserve this move here. None of you do, okay? Because crypto should not be for you. Crypto's not for the faint-hearted. If it's your first run, you watch videos to make sure that nothing's changed, and there's going to be a lot of FUD on Twitter or on YouTube. Everyone's going to be posting these clickbait titles like, it's all over for crypto. It's not all over for crypto. But if you can't endure 1, 2, 3 months of potentially our alts getting wrecked and your portfolio looking like shit, then you do not deserve 10 months of gains, okay? And that's all I have to say. But that's it. It's just like a reset, factory reset, everybody. We've been greedy. We've been getting gains for a whole year. The past 4 months has been pure gains. So we needed a factory reset. 34 is where I'm watching. 31 is where I'm watching. And then sub 30 is where I'll be keeping a very close eye on. So again, please make sure that you stay focused. You know what the end goal is. You remove your emotions. It's all part of the plan. And let me know how you feel about the current market conditions in the comments. Until next time, it's been your boy Lex from Crypto. And let's see you in the next one. Peace.